This is the introduction to the Dolphin PartMAster wire erosion module. So from the desktop I've double-clicked the EDM icon and I'm presented with this start screen. So if I want to start a new EDM program, I click here and I'll explain how the screen is laid out. In the center we have the main graphics area where the geometry will be shown and where the wire path will be shown. On the right hand side we have a status panel which shows us the wire position in X, Y, U, V, and it gives us the maximum values for the UV and the maximum wire angle for any 2-axis with taper or 4-axis jobs. In the left hand side here we have a window that will contain geometry definitions, so those are the different contours that go to make up a program. In the program operations window here we will see things like a 2-axis operation or a 4-axis operation. The main toolbar at the top of the screen here gives us access to the all the options within the software, and things like I can view my preferences, and these give me options of the colors that the screens are used in and the folders where things are placed. Typically the output files, the G-code files, will be placed in the same folder as the drawing and machining programs, but if you want the output files to be sent to a particular folder over a network for instance, then you can specify that folder here. The other options that you've got, you can look through these, and these are the preferences that you want to have set up when the program is being created. Across the top of the screen here we have the screen handling icons, and these are allowing us to set the particular views that we have, running the toolpath, calling up the post processor for instance. Across the bottom of the screen the options are grayed out for the moment because I don't have any geometry loaded, but this is where we set up the cutting conditions for a 2-axis job or for a 4-axis job. This is where we can also set up notes for inputting user information such as wire angles, or setting up synchronization points for 4-axis jobs. So this is the introduction, so it gives you an idea of the screen layout for the PartMAster Wire EDM software.